So kids, are you ready to learn new things today? Great job! Come on, let's explore and enjoy the amazing world of science. I am very glad to be with you today and be part of your learning adventure as you explore the wonders of science world. I am Teacher Joshua and I will be journeying with you today for another exciting learning adventures. Take a look at the picture. Do you know all the mysteries hidden in this picture? Do you know how this planet moves? Let's explore our very own planet, the Earth. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Have you watched the sunrise, move across the sky, and then set? Our ancestors thought that the Earth was steady and that it was the sun that moved around the Earth. And this was confirmed the idea of Ptolemy. However, Copernicus stated that the sun is the center of the universe and that the planets move around the sun. So, kids, which idea is correct? Okay, great! The sun is the center of the universe and that the planets move around the sun. To brighten up our journey, let us check first your prior knowledge about this lesson and scramble the letters to know what is described and form the correct word. First, it is the place where people, animals, and plants live. What is this word? The correct answer is Earth. It is the place where people, animals, and plants live. Second, it is an imaginary line which runs through the center of the Earth between the North and South poles. What is this word? The correct answer is axis. Axis is an imaginary line which runs through the center of the Earth between the North and South poles. Third, it is the turning of the Earth on its axis. What is this word? The correct answer is rotation. Rotation is the turning of the Earth on its axis. Fourth, the Earth's axis is blank. What is this word? The correct answer is tilted. The Earth's axis is tilted. Fifth, the Earth rotates on its axis. What do you mean by the underlined word? Now, what is this word? The correct answer is spin. Did you get all the answers correctly? Excellent! The Earth is made of rocks, soil, water, and air. It is one of the planets that spin and travel around the sun. The Earth is a very tiny part of the universe, but home to many forms of life. The Earth moves at a constant speed, and it follows in a counterclockwise direction. The Earth moves in three ways. It rotates, it travels around the sun, and moves through the Milky Way galaxy with the rest of the planets in the solar system. But the question is, how does the Earth move? Let's take a closer look of the Earth moving as viewed from the outer space. Every day, the sun appears to rise in the east, travel across the sky, and set into the west. You can observe this day in and day out. But the sun does not move from east to west. Instead, the Earth is spinning on its axis at a regular and steady rate once every 24 hours. An axis is an imaginary line which an object rotates or spins, and each planet in our solar system rotates on its axis. So, each planet has a north and south pole. It is the points where an axis meets the planet's surface. The Earth rotates on its axis continuously, and it takes the Earth 24 hours or 1 day to spin around once on its axis. So, meaning, the Earth spins once every single day. And this spinning movement on its axis is what we call a rotation. The period of one complete rotation is defined as a day, and it takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.9 seconds. But why not exactly 24 hours? You will notice that the Earth tilts on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degrees, and that makes day and night unequal in length, or roughly 24 hours. As the Earth rotates, part of it is facing the sun. This part of the Earth is light enough and experience daytime, in which we do daytime activities such as going to school, doing cultural activities, going to church, work, and other recreational activities. On the other hand, if you are on the side of the Earth that's facing away from the sun, as the Earth is spinning, you will experience darkness, and this is what we call night. It takes about 24 hours or 1 day for Earth to make a complete rotation, so there are about 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of nighttime, which makes 1 whole day. We are done with our exploration about the Earth's rotation. And now, let's find out what you have learned in this journey. To do that, let's play Who Wants to Be a Science Wizard? Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Science Wizard? I am Teacher Josh, your host for this quest. Now, this quest consists of 3 stages: the fastest finger, the choice is yours, and 1 minute to win it. Now, let's begin. Let's do the fastest finger round. In 1 minute, list down the activities done during daytime and nighttime, as many as you can. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up! Congratulations for passing the first stage. We will now proceed to the next stage. The choice is yours. In this stage, you will be given 5 questions and you have to choose the correct answer among the choices. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let the quest begin. Question number 1. In what direction does the Earth rotate? A. From east to west. B. From north to south. C. From south to north. Or letter D. From west to east. The correct answer is letter A. From east to west. Question number 2. How long does it take for the Earth to make a complete rotation on its axis? A. 1 day. B. 1 month. C. 1 week. Or letter D. 1 year. The correct answer is letter A. 1 day. Question number 3. At what angle does the Earth tilt on its axis? A. 43.5 degrees. B. 23.5 degrees. Letter C. 33.5 degrees. Or letter D. 53.5 degrees. The correct answer is letter B. 23.5 degrees. Question number 4. What do you call an imaginary line that runs through the Earth? A. Axis. B. Taxis. C. Orbit. Or letter D. Faxis. Correct answer is letter A. Axis. Question number 5. The movement of the globe as it spins and reaches the point from where it's stated is called A. Revolution. B. Locomotion. C. Rotation. Or letter D. Position. The answer is letter C. Rotation. Alright, congratulations for passing this stage. We will now proceed to the last and final stage. Let's do 1 minute, 2 minute. In this stage, you will form the concept of Earth's rotation using the illustrations given. You have 1 minute, 2 minute. Congratulations! Since you successfully completed the 3 stages of this quest, you are now a certified science wizard. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from our fun-filled adventure today. Again, I am Teacher Josh, reminding you to stay safe, save lives during this pandemic. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!